Hello guys, are you frustrated with the new rectangular grid for Instagram and you want to change it back to a square layout? Many users are frustrated with the switch from the classic square previews to a poor 5 aspect ratio. If you are one of them and miss the old clean look of your profile, we have got you covered in this video. I will show you step-by-step guide how to change the new rectangular grid layout back to normal square format. Let us open the Instagram application on our iPhone or Android device, and then we will want to go over to our Instagram profile, and you can see that my post have this 4 by 5 layout, but I don't like this. I am going to long press on the picture which I will want to change back to a normal square layout. You will see the pin to profile option, and currently it is set to a new rectangular grid, but in order to get this back to normal, tap on the fit option and it will be changed back. Save the changes. For this, select the done option, and that's it. Unfortunately, Instagram does not give us an option to get back the grid for all posts with one click, but you will have to do this manually for every photo. So make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.